Today we have the big infinity lights. They face the sun. That's why they get beat up, because they're top heavy. You see, they're always facing the sun. The sun is always beating on them. They're all getting sunburn out there. Sometimes it's permanent, sometimes it's not. Look at the result. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Broward, headlightrestoration.com. We are mobile. We come to your home, your office, your work, wherever you want us, we'll come and do the job. 754-302-0769. We service South Florida, Broward County, Miami-Dade County, and Palm Beach County. Just give us a call or text us your pictures for an estimate. 754-302-0769. Thank you for watching this video.